Reusable rockets permanently changed the relationship between the United States government and private spaceflight. After startups spent years running safety tests, the government certified the new rockets to carry humans. On May 30th, 2020, NASA astronauts Doug Hurley and Bob Behnken strapped into a SpaceX capsule named Crew Dragon. It sat on top of a Falcon 9 rocket at Kennedy Space Center's Launch Complex 39A. When the rocket lifted off, it marked the first crewed launch from United States soil since the Space Shuttle retired in 2011. This ended a gap where America relied completely on Russian Soyuz rockets. But look, this new system worked very differently than the old space program. SpaceX actually owned the Falcon 9 rocket and the Crew Dragon capsule. NASA simply acted as a customer, buying a transportation service. Owning the hardware meant the private company could use those exact same vehicles to make money elsewhere. SpaceX used its rockets to launch private satellites, build an internet network, and fly tourists. The government essentially bought a ticket instead of building a vehicle. As the US and China compete to build refueling stations and bases on the moon, this commercial infrastructure gives America a massive advantage. American officials can rely on cheap, private rockets to move equipment into orbit, while China relies heavily on traditional state rockets. Purchasing spaceflight as a service instead of building the hardware creates an independent commercial space economy.